Alright guys, good morning. Tuesday morning. Down here to start a full sand and refinish, going back natural. Beautiful piece of property. All the way back here in the woods. There goes the Good House Mobile. Jay's getting the edges set up. Jason's in here getting the big machine ready. Let me take you inside, I'll show you what we're up against. We'll be here probably 4 days. This one here is a pine floor. Really worn. Really needs a sand. And then we get into some oak on this side. Really worn everywhere. Down to its last life here. We're gonna bring it back to life. And then we got 2 bedrooms in the back here. Anywho, stick around. We'll come back and show you the progress. We'll come back and show you the results like we always do. We're gonna rock and roll. Going back natural. No stain. Alrighty, stick around. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we're getting down the sealer. It's looking good. Alrighty guys, we are here. We got the first coat down yesterday and we're gonna get the 2 coats down today. 2nd and 3rd coat. So we'll go ahead and put one down now. It's like 10 to 8:50 in the morning, and in about 2 to 3 hours we'll put the last coat, and that will be it. Let me show you around. We just abraded this floor. It's looking really good, except for all the urine stains, of course. Our client knew that they weren't going to come out. They were really deep in a bunch of areas. So this is a rental, so he did not want to change all the boards. Bad ones over here. But anywho, we're about to just go ahead and tack, dry tack, wet tack. Got Jay's vacuuming in here. We're gonna get the 2nd coat down and the 3rd coat this afternoon, so stick around. We'll come back and show you the final results. We're about to go ahead and put down the 2nd coat. In about 2 to 3 hours, we'll lay the final coat today. Alrighty guys, final coat is down. Look how good this looks. That's it for us. On to the next one. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.